these bad boys up. All right, so now we got the wheels all mounted up. About to go ahead and slap these things up on the car. They look pretty thick, don't they? Yeah, she thick. Here's the lug nut set that you're gonna need to mount these on here. It comes with 10 lug nuts. These little rings or whatever these are, they go back here. Then you keep mounted on the car. Then you got your little key or whatever. And your lug nuts and what else? What's this back there? Oh, and these little washers that you have to put on here. And you see is, let me show you. This right here, that faces the wheel. It says wheel side right here. So let me demonstrate it real quick. Right here, wheel side goes on there like this. Quick because it's pretty windy out here and I don't want this wind messing up my video, but here's a better look of the wheels on the car. I like it, man. It look mean. The color of the wheels match up pretty good to the paint. That's the reason why I got them. I didn't want black or the chrome one because I just want that color match look. Turned out pretty well.